Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto review. Every day I also try to upload it in new mining site and also review to all side. So if you get any information about crypto related and travel related, please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. Okay. I also try to payment proof site uploaded in this site, so I hope you will join in my YouTube channel. So already 39 subscriber will be subscribe my channel, so I hope you also subscribe my channel. Many of the people most of the people subscribe in Pakistan, also Turkish, and also Malaysian, Indonesian also. So so little type also Bangladeshi people, and many of the people Arab countries also. African nation people will be added and also for me. So I request to you, please Bangladeshi also and Indian people also subscribe, and Maldives, Myanmar, and other kind of Asian people will be stay with me. And okay, now I go to my Telegram group. My Telegram group is BTC Satoshi Gift Card Exchange. This Telegram is made for uh, BTC gift card exchange. So other information available here. So you can share your hash card and gift card in my Telegram group. Also waiting, and also try to feedback and other option. You can collect your essential card from my Telegram group. Oh, and other information available here in crypto related. So if you face any problem, I also care to resolve for you. So now I go to my main topic. The site is name is Cloud BTC Game. Uh, this set is only 11 days. Also joining this site and keep mining this site also. So if you want to join this, you need to Bitcoin address. As important news, I also tell you in middle time of video. সো সাইটটা আপনার বিটকয়েন মাইনিং নিয়ে কাজ করতেছে। আপনারা এখানে এখানে জয়েন হতে বিটকয়েন মাইনিং দরকার, এবং প্রায় 11 দিনের মতো হয়ে গেছে। তো সাইটটা খুব ভালো একটা ভালো সাইট, এবং এটা ইজি পেমেন্ট করতেছে, ইজি লগিং, ইজি উইথড্রয়াল, ক্লাউড মাইনার। অলরেডি 15,393 user. Total deposit and total payment also show here. Frequently have you question this here is show here, and read this. How to long the withdraw minimum 72. Here is a show 1 BTC, but it's trying to here is a this amount when you this amount risk, you will withdraw from this in free withdrawal. As a feature also show you. Now what do you now please click this option, set your Bitcoin address please, and get a start option. Also joining in this video. So when please you can click this and easily you join this site. Okay, so joining. Already I mined inside, and I reach this amount, I will withdraw from this site, otherwise not. Please carefully seeing this this value will be reach this, you will be withdraw from this site. আপনারা এইখানে এই ভ্যালুতে যেতে পারলে অবশ্যই আপনারা উইথড্র করতে পারবেন। তারা বলতেছে only one total referral. So 1 সো রেফার কমিশন আমাকে এখনও দেওয়া হয়নি, বিকজ অফ কেউ ডিপোজিট না করলে এখানে কোনো কমিশন নেই। আচ্ছা, সো আপনারা রেফারেল কমিশনে আপনারা জয়েন হন, করেন, আপনারা কালেক্ট করে রাখেন। সো when you joining this, you get a 1 gigahash power free. So please click this option, deposit option. Have you deposit this inside? You can deposit minimum 0.01. This deposit option, click this deposit. You can must be logging with Faucet Pay. Okay, withdraw. Withdraw will be show here. When you reach this amount, you will be withdraw from this side. This amount is show. So this is the real-time payout side. So you can easily join this side. So I shall show you and how to join this. So if you have any question, please comment in this video description box and also টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপ। আপনারা এখানে এখানে মেইন বিষয়টা হলো আপনার ফসেট পের মাধ্যমে নিতে পারবেন উইথড্র, না হলে এখান থেকে উইথড্র নিতে পারবেন না। এবং ফসেট পে কানেক্ট লাগবে, ইউ মাস্ট বি কানেক্ট উইথ ফসেট পে and you need to faucet pay Bitcoin account, otherwise not, you cannot withdraw from this site. Remember it, you can withdraw, receive from this site, you need to faucet pay account. Okay, I also faucet pay account opening in my video description box, so you can click and create a faucet pay. Bitcoin is this site, payout site, so I hope you will joining this site. No more today, pray for me and every time remember Allah, take care of yourself, and every time pray with Allah, salat in your any wish into Allah. Okay, so now take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.